Okay guys, good morning. It's the third day. It's the third day. Been for a swim, going to have breakfast and see what's happening for the rest of the day. This pool is now from 11 degrees up to 17, so really nice and warm compared to what it was. Still cold, but dealable. We have been for a shower, ready to start the day, and the new vlog is edited and will be up tonight. So we're on that grind. We will find out what's happening in a bit. I'm going to sort out my really wet hair at the moment, and we will move on with our day. It's kind of raining just now, so not sure how that'll affect the plans, but yeah, we'll see what happens and we'll embrace it as always. Okay, so it's been a really lazy morning. Only swam and then had a shower and then had breakfast. We're now going to have lunch, and because of it being such a horrible day, that's why it's kind of taken so long to decide on what we're doing. We're going up just past Wick to a lighthouse and doing a walk up there. So we'll get some shots up there and see how the rest of the day pans out. We might just head back and chill out in the house, or we might end up going venturing further afield. Okay, so we didn't have that great weather. It was a wee bit windy, so there's no audio or talking to the camera at this point. However, I did get some alright shots. They had to be very sparse as well because of the way that the rain was falling. It landed on the lens quite a few times. You will see it in this video, but the scenery is phenomenal, and the castle we were in, Castle Sinclair, is fantastic. Definitely worth the visit. Okay, so I'm going to be honest with you. I fell asleep in the car on the way back, so did not film much, and will be using, because of that fact, we'll be using the footage I shot yesterday in the car as footage for today. Sly. We're just back now. Not going to do much tonight, I don't reckon. Like an idiot, I forgot to record an outro, so I'm using yesterday's. Hopefully you enjoyed that video.
like I said, if you did like this video, hit that like button. Leave a comment down below if you want to know anything more, and hit that subscribe button if you want to see some more. Also hit the wee notification bell to get notified when my videos go live. There will be a lot more content coming onto this channel in the following few days and weeks, so please hit that subscribe button. But until next time guys, keep it real, hunt the thrill, and I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.